Alright, KTAuthentics Sports Memorabilia and Cards. Steven and myself, we're box warring. Highest value card wins both boxes. Alright, I'm on the left. Steven is on the right. I think Steven has an SGC card. I think Steven has an SGC card. Steak. What's up, K-Son? Alright, we have for some team, some guy, Jan Reemcheck. We got World Junior Showcase, Ali Jokinen. We got Jeff Nelson. Is that Justin Falk? Got Justin Falk, Young Gun, not graded. I win automatically. That's the $1 million card. Wow, Tom, you really know how to pick them. Justin Falk, Young Gun, not graded. Wow. 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 You've never heard of Justin Falk? Oh, we got PSA. Well, Steven wins. PSA DNA certified the Howard Chuck. Dave Howard Chuck. Or Dale Howard Chuck, sorry, Dale. Steven. And you got a Greg Stefan and Tony Harak. Congrats, Steven. Congrats, Steven. Where are my cards? Stag. What is up? K-Son, how you been, bud? Oh, it gets better, K-Son. It gets better. I totally won.